Hello everybody. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Hope you guys had a great weekend. There's quite a bit of news that came out. Nothing super crazy, but I was just gonna get into the news today and then kind of talk about Bitcoin. And I don't know, a lot of people have been like, I had a conversation with my friend the other day and I was trying to get him to understand the point of just holding Bitcoin, and that because his idea was he wanted to buy before the price goes up and then just hold on to it and then sell it one day back into fiat and then buy a house and stuff like that. And I was like, well, imagine if you didn't have to trade it back into fiat and you could just buy your house with Bitcoin. And his mind was kind of blown. He hadn't really thought about that because no, I mean, everybody's so used to using their currency like US dollars and stuff like that to pay for things. So this is an article. Bitcoin usage among merchants is up according to data from Coinbase and BitPay. According to BitPay CMO Bill Zekel, the payment processor facilitated 1 billion worth of cryptocurrency transactions in 2019, with Bitcoin leading the pack. Likewise, a Coinbase spokesperson said Coinbase Commerce processed $135 million worth of cryptocurrency payments for thousands of merchants in 2019, which represents a 600% increase in the number of unique transactions via Coinbase Commerce since 2018. And there's a little picture of lingerie up here. For all the ladies out there, Lola Luna Lingerie now accepts Bitcoin. But that was funny. A lot of people are really support Bitcoin. Here's Jack Dorsey. He came out with a he's the founder of Twitter, and he came out with a Bitcoin emoji that he put on Twitter. His tweet also tags a Twitter account for Unicode, the computer text and emoji standard for the internet, possibly pushing possibly pushing for the administrating consortium to introduce an emoji that can be used all across the across all web platforms. Sorry. So far, the brain of Bitcoin hashtag works only for conventional tags and not for the hashtag BTC tag. It is also popular among Twitter users when talking about cryptocurrency trading. So yeah, Jack Dorsey, he's super into Bitcoin. He's like all for it, 100%. I think that's really well. That's because that's a lot of exposure on social media, and it's crazy because you see Twitter getting really into it. Facebook is about to start Libra. That's just all these. I mean, there's just so much exposure that's going out to everybody. Speaking of Libra, this is why Mastercard CEO left. Well, not just the CEO, but Mastercard, Visa, PayPal all left Libra, and they didn't really say why. They just kind of left. And then I found this today. Basically, compliance appears to have been the primary cause for the sudden decision. The Libra Association's key members reportedly refused to commit to not do anything that is not lawfully compliant with local law. Specifically, Banga, which is a chief executive up there, pointing to anti-money laundering, know your client, and data management regulation, which Facebook is not the best with privacy. I think we all know that. They sell your data, and yeah, when Libra comes out, you're gonna see a lot of things that are like, you'll be at a bar and you're gonna call an Uber, and it's gonna say, save 10% when you pay with Libra, and that's gonna be really tempting to people because they're gonna make it super easy. You probably just boot up Messenger, throw $5 on there, and then spend $4 or 450, however much it is, to get your ride home. And that's going to make people really used to kind of how cryptocurrency works. And I mean, it's almost the same as like a card. Not many people use cash to buy things anymore. It's all card. You just swipe, or you put in your SIM chip and just punch in your PIN number. Yeah, that's a lot of exposure. I was curious because the Bitcoin usage among merchants. I wanted to see what all stores accept Bitcoin. So we can scroll through these. Microsoft accepts Bitcoin. Overstock, Expedia, eGifter, Shopify stores, Cheap Air, Newegg, Pizza for Coins, and these are just some of them. Reed Jeweler, Gift, More Stamps Global, Bitcoin Shirt.co, Starjets International, Norwegian Air, Garbarino Viajes, don't know if I said that right. AT&T accepts Bitcoin, and so does Pornhub, and Travala and Playboy. And yeah, those are pretty fun. I didn't know AT&T accepted Bitcoin. I'm gonna start making my payments in that. See how that works. That'd be real nice. Here's another random article I found. Bitcoin price could skyrocket to 30,000 after printing golden cross. So this golden cross, it goes down to explain what this golden cross is, but it's based on the moving average. And let me find it. Blah, 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 blah. Where was it? I should have highlighted. A golden cross is a bull market harbinger that appears on the chart when the daily 50 estimated moving average surpasses the daily 200 estimated moving average, thus confirming an ongoing trend change. Such instances are rare, which explains why traders should be excited about the upcoming crossover. Last time Bitcoin printed a golden cross on its weekly chart, its price skyrocketed by 158% and reached the 2019 high of 13,888 US dollars. And it is not a sealed deal, but Anadram pointed to the fact that Bitcoin could surge at 30,000 if it experienced a rally of the same magnitude after the upcoming bullish crossover. Thus said, moving average crossovers are considered to be lagging indicators that do not necessarily indicate a trend change. Is it worth mentioning that headline grabbing Facebook's Libra was a huge catalyst for Bitcoin's prices in Q2, the time around the reward halving, which is now expected to happen as early as April, could drive public interest. This year is just insane for crypto. There's so much crazy things happening and going on, and people getting involved, and companies coming out with new products. It's just insane. And this is just a random article. Crypto market sentiment bounces back. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA in positive zone. I don't know if you looked at the news over the weekend, but Cardano, which is ADA, came out with they did an interview for Cointelegraph, and basically they talked about Shelley and their hard fork and excuse me, and basically their plans for the future. And if you should really go and watch that. This is the video right here. If you want to just type that in, come to Cointelegraph. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. Just trying to share this information. This is kind of a long video. I can't play it for copyright reasons, but he has some solid points on just his views on life and where cryptocurrency is going and how important it is. And if you have an extra 20 minutes or so, you should definitely watch this. This guy kind of rambles, but Charles Hoskinson, he's super smart. But yeah, you should definitely come and check that out. Anyways, we'll finish up. Check out this market today. It's crazy. We're in the red right now, but let me go back. So market's looking mostly red right now, kind of bearish, but Cardano was up, went down 2%, probably just correcting. EOS 2%, Litecoin, blah, 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 it's a scam. Bitcoin, okay, so I was looking at the chart. This is a 7-day. So we kind of just had that nice climb up to, like, you know, it goes like 87, 88, 89 real quick, 9,000 real fast, and drops down 89, then 9,000, then 89. But whenever it hits this 9,300 level, or 9,200 level, we've been holding that since January 28th. Bitcoin has not dropped lower than 9,200. And it's just a sideways trend right now. Something is about to happen. It's about to, and it's Monday too. So I mean, this was like over the weekend. It didn't even move. February 1st. Moving sideways just for the weekend is really good because not many people are trading, or I don't know. That's just my view on it. I kind of think it'll go up, but I don't know. You never know. But we will see. Anyways, thanks for listening. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you later.